Good day everyone. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property host. And guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng ready for occupancy or pre-selling na payable for 3 years ang down payment, please continue to watch this video. So we are here right now in Amparo, Caloocan to feature this fully finished townhouse unit. No? So we are in a gated community, guys. As you can see, this is gated. So that's your main gate. And we have a guard 24/7. So currently, meron tayong ready for occupancy and pre-selling units. So let's check our actual turnover unit. Let's go. So what I love about this project, guys, is very aesthetic, no, yung kulay na ginamit ng ating developer. And also, pinag-isipan yung tone, no, gray and white. And of course, we have here a storage and meron tayong faucet na naka-ready dyan. And also we have uh, ano, a electric source, you know, para kung electric yung sasakyan natin, no, hindi magiging problema yung pag-charge ng ating vehicle. So let's go inside. So this is also an actual turnover unit, you know. So naka smart lock tayo. So hindi magpapahuli to. And of course, and this is your open layout living and dining area. Ah, nice. Okay, and we have here your service area. Sobrang linis. I love the tiles, the tone, and the palette na ginamit. And also, we have a common toilet and bath sa my ground floor and also your kitchen. So part ng turnover yung cabinet sa taas and also sa may baba. And our common toilet and bath with yan. Tingnan mo naman yung shower natin, you know, upgraded na yan. All right, so let's check the second floor. Let's go. Sa second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So this project, guys, malapit to sa SM Fairview, sa SM Tungko, and also malapit din sa mga hospitals. You know already about pag location mo isang para Caloocan. Develop na din yung area. Pero hindi ganun ka expensive yung mga properties. So this is your common toilet and bath and your bedroom 2. Your bedroom 2 with mini balcony. Right, and of course, our master bedroom with its own toilet and bath. And of course, our balcony. All right, so guys, if you have questions or clarifications or you wanted to book a tripping, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property host, helping you find your home. Ay, may pagtodo na talaga. Hanggang langit na talaga ang pag-shoot.